welcome to the show. Thank you for tuning in. With all the stuff that's going on, and we're here in the dead of winter in Tassie, it's been really difficult to get out and do much. So what I'm planning to do is a couple of half-day excursions, I guess you'd call them, out of Launceston, and get to show you guys the beauty that is Tasmania, even if it is just in the northeast of the state for now, while it's so cold that I can't get out anywhere too far. So sit back and enjoy. If you like this stuff, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe if you're not, grab a beer, kick back and enjoy the show. Cheers. Today we're checking out the Lilydale Falls, probably 10 minutes out of Launceston to the north. Another fernery and river. Two sets of falls up here. We're going to check out the farthest one first, work our way back. And it's cold down in under the trees. Oof. So this is the second of the two falls here, Lilydale. Fairly loud going through. We haven't had a lot of rain, so it's not a full capacity, that's for sure. So check it out, it's beautiful here. I hope you're enjoying this short series of destinations close to where I live. Winter here, so they can't get out and do too much. And with the coronavirus, life's just a little bit difficult, isn't it? So just doing what I can to get you some content. And hopefully you enjoy having a look at where I live. This is the second hole. Beautiful. North East Railway track bridge. Kind of the entry exit point of the walk up to the falls. Beautiful.